To temperate rainforest, forest season, lots of rain in this part. This is like Seattle, ferns, mushrooms, moss to the spot. Pull the 4 out, winter time, dropping them leaves. It's got fertile soil, lots of nutrients, trees to grow. Temperate rainforest, the best place to go. This is a big place, check the map and you'll see. Temperate rainforest, temp is 20, 90 degrees. This is a rainforest, losing leaves, that is its thing.
Temperate rainforest got so many different animals. It got wolves, deers, foxes, and a ton of birds. A lot of bird sounds, wolves howling, foxes running around scared, cause the big bears annexing got them prepared. Got these animals living up as fly as a bird. Don't forget about the seasons, man, haven't you heard? We got summer, fall, spring, and the short winters too, letting the plants get that long growing season for you.
I got the big set. Yeah, I'm real rich. Nutrients, 4 seasons, lot of rain, and I'm still rich. Think it's sweet, acid rain, hit the kill switch. Booyah, full deforestation in this. Taking tree, but one more land, that's a riddle to me.
To temperate rainforest, forest season, lots of rain in this part. This is like Seattle, ferns, mushrooms, moss to the spot. Pull the 4 out, winter time, dropping them leaves. It's got fertile soil, lots of nutrients, trees to grow. Temperate rainforest, the best place to go. This is a big place, check the map and you'll see. Temperate rainforest, temp is 20, 90 degrees. This is a rainforest, losing leaves.
SoundCloud for new songs weekly.